Hey Miranda, this is Mentor Aaron. Sa crypto, dalawa ang priority natin. Security and execution speed. Today, hihimay natin ang EDGX Exchange. Sa video na to, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-setup ng account, mag-deposit and mag-withdraw. And lastly, kung paano sumali sa kanilang airdrop. Tara, let's start! First step, setup muna tayo ng account. Punta lang kayo sa edgex.exchange or scan Coach Miranda Miners QR code here in the screen. After you scan, click Connect Wallet and you can log in using your email address. But if you are using browser to your PC, navigate on the upper right side corner. You will see Connect Wallet and then click Connect Wallet. Kung sanay na kayo sa Web3, pwede nyong gamitin yung inyong Web3 wallets like MetaMask or OKX wallet. For this example, I will use OKX wallet to connect here sa ating EDGX Exchange. Then, you just need to check everything here, click agree and continue. And after that, you will receive 2 signature requests. Signing is free and will not trigger any transactions. Yan, confirm sign, click confirm. Okay, so na-verify na natin yung ownership. And next, enable trading and click confirm. So everything is good. Connected na yung ating wallet dito kay EDGX. Pero kung gusto nyo ng mas simple, may MPC wallet naman sila. Pwede kayong mag-login gamit lang ang inyong email account. Once may lumabas sa signature request, i-sign nyo lang yon. Wala nang mahabang KYC and ready to go na agad ang account nyo. Para makapag-deposit and withdraw, you need to go to Portfolio tab. Click nyo lang yung Portfolio and then click Deposit. Gamitin natin dito ay USDT. And then gamitin natin si Arbitrum Network. Input nyo lang dito yung amount, kung magkano yung inyong gustong i-deposit. And you need to enable USDT sa inyong wallet. Now, in your OKX wallet, you need to specify an approval amount that can cover your future transaction. Or you can set to unlimited, but it's highly risky to approve an unlimited amount. So, you need to proceed with caution. So, this is up to you, not a financial advice. Up to you kung how much yung amount na sa tingin ninyo ay kailangan yung i-deposit to your EDGX account. Once na na-approve nyo na sa inyong wallet yung amount na gusto nyong i-deposit dito sa ating EDGX Exchange, pwede na kayo mag-confirm deposit. So, click natin, confirm deposit. And then in your wallet, you need to click confirm para mag-proceed yung transaction. So, let's click confirm and that's good. Nakapag-deposit na tayo na USDT sa ating EDGX account. Now, for you to check kung na-receive mo na yung amount from your wallet, click nyo lang itong portfolio. And then, dito mo makikita yung amount na dineposit mo from your wallet. Quick tip, kapag magta-transfer ka sa EDGX Exchange, mas okay gamitin ang Arbitrum Network instead of the Ethereum mainnet. Why? Mas mura ang gas fees at mas mabilis ang transactions. So instead of paying high fees on Ethereum, you can transfer faster and cheaper using Arbitrum Network. Sa deposit and withdrawal transaction na ginawa ko, ito lang yung naging fees ko. And then, para mag-withdraw naman, halos same lang. Click nyo lang yung withdraw. Ilagay ang amount and confirm. Dahil decentralized ito, babalik ang funds nyo directly sa sarili nyong wallet address. If you want to join in EDGX airdrop, kailangan mong mag-collect ng points. Meron kang 3 ways para gawin to. Click nyo etong more and then click points. Pupunta kayo sa page na points overview. Now, scroll down. Ito yung 3 ways para makagain ka ng points. First, perpetual trading. Every time na magte-trade ka, kumikita ka ng points through your trading volume. Ito yung pinakamalaking factor, 60% ng total points pool. Second, Vault. Kung hindi ka into trading, pwede ka mag-deposit ng USDT sa Vault. Think of it as your savings account sa EDGX. Kumikita ka ng interest at points habang nakistay lang ang USDT mo sa Vault. 10% ng points pool ay galing dito. And then lastly, referrals. I-copy mo lang yung referral link mo and you can share it sa trading buddy mo or community mo. Every points na kikitain ng invite mo, may mapupunta ding points sa'yo automatically. 20% ng total pool galing dito. So, mas maraming active traders na mare-refer mo, mas malaki ang points mo. You just need to track your progress sa points dashboard and weekly snapshot ang ginagawa ng system ni EDGX every Tuesday at 11:59 PM UTC and they release rewards every Wednesday at 8 AM UTC. Lahat ng points na naiipon mo ay mo-convert into real crypto tokens expected this Q1 of 2026. That's what we call the TGE or Token Generation Event. Ang projected na allocation para sa airdrop ay 20 to 35% ng total token supply. Meaning, malaking part nito ay napupunta sa mga active users. So, the more consistent ka ngayon, the more tokens you will receive sa TGE. Yun lang kadali ka, Miranda, ang mag-start sa EDGX Exchange. And I hope nakatulong itong video na to para makapag-start ka ng tamang process. To start, scan Coach Miranda Miners QR code and happy trading ka, Miranda.